OG Creations here. I have spent the last few weeks working away on a Pride 2022 collection, experimenting with different fabrics, and filling custom orders left and right. I can tell we're getting close to summer because I am getting tons of requests from all you fellas out there for new briefs and jocks. So many, in fact, I thought it would be fun to post how a few different styles are being created. Here I'm using the Geode technique on a pair of white 100% modal cotton men's bikini briefs. For those of you that don't know what modal is, it's a bio-based man-made fabric created from the pulp of beech trees. It's extremely soft, almost like silk, and holds color like a dream. You would think that a pair of white bikini briefs would be relatively fast to make, but these take about 45 minutes to an hour to tie up. But they are so much fun. The patterns that I get tying them up this way are always so different. Plus I like experimenting with the placement so I can accent all those bulges and butts out there. Once I have these completely tied up, I soak them in soda ash for about 25 to 30 minutes. Once they've dried a bit, it's time to apply the dye powders. Here I'm using 3 different shades of yellow. Over on my Etsy site, I have briefs that are done in different shades of blues, pinks, greens, and purples. Go check them out! Once the dye powder is applied, I cover with ice, top that with a little bit of soda ash, and then let it set for 24 to 48 hours. Now under cold water, they are rinsed until that water is clear, put through 2 cycles of the washing machine, and dry. Bam! Look at that. Sunny cheeks. I post new content every Friday, so make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you would like to see created next.